Folks, today we are here in Pigeon Forge and the rivers are looking quite angry. Dawn, are you ready for this soggy adventure?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do this. Look at that, the wheel's underwater. It is a lot angrier now than it was yesterday. And Hurricane Helene is just outside of Knoxville. It kind of doesn't know where it wants to go. It looks like it's going to head towards Nashville, more on a western route. And we're here to show you the power of the Little Pigeon River when it floods and brings a lot of rain to the area. And you can see the bottom of the paddle wheel is covered. It wasn't like that yesterday, and the waters are just raging. It's even hard to hear, and there's a lot of great big stumps that are spinning around down there and everything else. But we're here at the old mill. It's still raining, but it's supposed to let up later on. It's actually supposed to get a little bit better later on. Of course, we have Dawn here. Hello, Dawn. Dawn's got her Snoopy umbrella, and it's still wet. It's still very much wet here. But yeah, there's a lot of folks out today taking photos, and this is a great place to take those photos. And there's nothing like a Smoky Mountain rain. Everything is wet. My camera's wet. Oh no. Oh no. Go, go, go. Oh no, that's not good. Oh. Oh, that's not good. There he is. He made it. He made it. Oh my gosh, we all stopped breathing there for a minute. But he made it. There he goes. He did. He's good. He's good. That's safe down there. Oh my gosh. So we were quite shooken up because that bird,
Yeah.
he was struggling, and then he went over. We didn't see him come up for a few minutes, but he made it.
He knew he was going down.
But it was scary though. Everybody
Yeah,
was
it was
shaking.
scary.
Yeah, we didn't think he was gonna make it.
There's my Muscovy.
Yeah, there's little scovies over there. Oh, there's the old gangster duck over there.
Yeah.
Dawn's gangster duck.
Hanging out with the mailers.
You know, if that was us in that river, we wouldn't have made it. And the ducks are enjoying this. There's a That water current is so strong. Even the ducks are having a hard time swimming in it, and they get caught up in it. Oh boy, he's trying. He's trying to paddle out of there. I think he made it. They're all quacking. He made it. Boy, the ducks are having a hard time trying to swim in the current. And the Riverwalk walkway is underwater. All you can do is see that bench over there. Nothing like a rainy day here in the Smoky Mountains, and we're out here for day 2. This will probably be the last day. I don't see much more coming from the storm, but it's always great to get out here to see the Smoky Mountains in different scenarios. Of course, you know, heavy rains, things like that. It's very beautiful, very powerful. These mountains can be unforgiving if you don't play your cards right. We're over by the Applewood farmhouse, and the river is pretty swollen here. Now, I have seen it go up and over this bank in the past, but it's still impressive to see all this water coming down. Of course, we're right across from the apple barn itself. We're over here on Riverwalk, located behind the track. And Riverwalk is totally underwater. And you can see the fence there, just the top of it. And I have seen the water in the past come all the way up here into the parking lot. But yeah, it's quite flooded over there. And that bench is almost underwater. And it is creeping up. It's about to come into the parking lot here. It's not too far away. And the Pigeon Forge police have blocked off that parking area over there. The water has come right up into the parking lot. Of course, we're right behind the track here. Yeah, the geese are enjoying it. The water is almost hitting the top of the bridge. Of course, that's the parkway. That's the Christmas place over there. And we walk this walkway quite often. And that water is almost to the bumper cars building. It's right at the edge of the bumper cars building. Well, the one thing, Dawn, is don't park your car down there if it's gonna be raining real hard. You'd be totally underwater there almost. Well, it'd be up to your, at least up to your.
The lampposts are totally underwater too.
It is. Be up to your driver's side window at least.
Oh, you can barely see the bench emerging on one of them. See it?
Yeah, you can see the top of a bench over there. It's in the middle of the little Pigeon River now.
It's submerged. A lot of the benches you can barely see them.
It is. It is.
The river is full.
It is. There's a tree on Riverwalk now. Be a little bit of cleanup after this. But this is always mind-blowing, seeing Riverwalk there underwater. There's a lot of folks driving to the parking lot here trying to get an up-close look at this. And the police are just over there making sure nobody goes in that parking lot. I wouldn't want to go over there either. But anyways, yeah, let's go see what else we can see. And now it's just misting. But we're gonna be heading to Gatlinburg. We drove over to Gatlinburg, and just like that, it's beautiful out. It's warmer, it's not raining, and the weather was right. They said around noon it was gonna go away and everything's gonna be great for the weekend. Wow, things changed dramatically since this morning. And the river levels are still high. Oh, look at all the leaves. It's gonna be fall pretty soon. Oh, it's beautiful. No umbrella, no rain jacket, and it's just perfect. It does feel a little muggy. I think that hurricane brought some mugginess up, but it's beautiful. And a few hours ago, it was pouring down rain, and my umbrella was wanting to fly out of my hand and all that. And Dollywood's opening in less than an hour. So, Gatlinburg Space Needle. Yeah, so Skylift Park and Anakista are closed today for the high winds. But it's nice now. And it is Friday, so you think they might reopen. But look at that, look how beautiful that is. You can't even see the benches that we seen yesterday. We saw the very tops. But here's the stairway. Yeah, so the river is definitely higher than it was yesterday. Definitely higher. We're here at Edgewater. We'll come over here and check out. Yeah, just a few feet higher than what it was yesterday. Even the snakes are drying out. Hey, he's an old water snake. He's just a chillin'. And they're opening the spillway here at Douglas Dam. And all the years of coming down here to Douglas Dam, I've never seen the spillways open like this. And they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 6 of them open. Of course, they're saying there's a lot of water heading this way. And there's quite a bit of folks down here watching these floodgates open. And yet again, I have never seen these gates ever open. And there's 2 helicopters flying over. They might be getting ready to open these ones up. We got 4 more to go, if they open them all. So you can see them moving that tram over that gate there, and they'll use that to lift that up. So they're going to open that one there. There it goes. So they have 3 more gates to go, and they're positioning that little tram, that little gate lifter. And I always thought that they were like hydraulic, or they could do it on their own with a push of a button, but it looks like they gotta bring that over and pull up on it or whatever. Pretty cool. There it goes. And there's only one left. Right there. So for a few minutes there, we didn't think they were going to open the last one. Everybody kind of walked away from it, and then about a minute later they all walked back, and it looks like they're going to open that last gate. And we've been coming here for years, and I've never seen any of them opened. So this is definitely a first time for us anyways. There it goes. All 11 of them. Look at
All
that.
11 of them going. They released it.
Wow. It's kind of like a waterfall, right?
Yeah. We'll probably never see all 11 of them again for a good long time.
Well, it's not always good when you see them. Like, it's something you do that you don't want to see. It's just a protection so that the dam don't, fail. But anyways, there it is.